I am providing this information that might be helpful to all of those who are trying to submit paper to the new journal's STEAM education. Right, the main difficulty is in formatting references. So I'll share my screen, I'll show you the template that's provided by the journal. So here's the STEAM education template. And we want to reference our inside citations in square brackets. And we want them to be a particular shade of blue and have no underline. So it's a two-step process to make it automated, so you don't have to change the color of each reference by hand. So the original template, if you just insert the reference, it turns out to be black. So two steps. First, you go to EndNote tab. Then you go into Edit and Manage Citations. It doesn't have any minimum citations. Okay, I'll insert one so it doesn't complain. All right, anyone? Insert. Okay, so that's already the right color. So what I did to get to the right color is I went to Edit and Manage Citations, and I went to Tools, and I went to Configure Biography. And here, this was unticked. So first thing you do, you tick this. That will make your references from in-text citation linked as hyperlinked to the references at the back of your paper. So you do that, click OK. Okay, so that will be done for all of the references. And then the second step is you go to home button in your Word document, and you click on Styles here. And then you just need to modify your hyperlink. So click on Modify under Styles, and here it will be some sort of bluish, purplish color that's usually is used for hyperlink. So change that to just this blue here. It's called blue. So that's the one that STEM education is using. And also remove the, so this will be selected. So you need to unselect the underline as well. So once you do that, click OK, and all of your references throughout the whole paper will turn blue and will be in the right format. Okay. Hope this helps.